I'm Shay Hall. He's Nathan Ivins. We're a part of Teen Press Lacrosse. Today we have the opportunity to interview the Immaculate Beings.
What's up, y'all? I am Trevor Devine. I am the lead singer of the Immaculate Beings from Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Tell us more about your band name.
In college, we were called Trevor Devine and the Immaculate Beings, but then I just kind of realized it's not like all about me anymore. So we dropped my name from the band name and we just became the Immaculate Beings. It's cool now because we kind of use that name as a message to promote self-love and like self-care and positivity, and especially within like the music scene, like creating a safe space and calling ourselves Immaculate even if we're not like perfect in a sense.
When and how did you get into music?
Well, I've been singing, playing music like my whole life. I have a very like musical family, so it's always been present. I ended up going to boarding school my senior year of high school and I studied opera. Then kind of realized that I wanted to definitely kind of go towards like the contemporary side of music, and I ended up going to McNally Smith College of Music, which was in St. Paul. Studied songwriting there and created a band, and here we are.
What's the meaning behind your song Lawn Chairs?
Lawn Chairs is actually a song about being a child and watching your parents separate. There's a line in there that says, "Will you take me back to outer space where constellations move at their own pace?" And it brings up lawn chairs because it's almost like watching these shooting stars from these lawn chairs, and it's almost like this nostalgic feeling of sitting in the backyard of your house when everything was like almost okay, reflecting on the nostalgia of like before like things kind of got traumatic in early life. And then it's kind of pondering, but then once it kind of goes to the end to a kind of positive dancey vibe, it's kind of almost like that's the moment of like moving on and finding forgiveness, just like letting go and dancing it out a little bit.
What do you want your listeners to feel when they listen to your music?
Safety, contentment, enlightenment, because like we're all of us in the band, you know, identify as queer one way or another. And that being said, we've all kind of been through a lot of struggles as queer individuals. Our upbringing, going through middle school, high school, college, all of these things, you know, it was a scary world back then, and it still kind of is now. Essentially, we just kind of want to be like the people that like we needed when we were younger. We want to promote just like freedom of expression and true self. We're living a life of like whatever we want to do if it means well to us, the planet, and other people.
I've got the space to